What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Nick. This is a channel to talk about car stuff on. It's Monterey Car Week, and I'm up in Marina for the first car show, supposedly since 2006 in Marina. It's called the Poker Rally. It's the start of a series of stops for all these cars, and it's at the Brass Tap, and it is pretty awesome. There's about 90 to 100 cars out here, and I'm gonna show you all of them before I get out of here. Let's go. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, hit subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I'm almost to 1,000. It would really be appreciated. All right, back to the cars. All right, y'all, that's it for me from Marina and the Brass Tap Car Show Poker Rally starting event. Pretty good turnout. What was your favorite car from what I showed? I tried to catch every car. I think there's about 100 cars here, but there's a ton of cars around the area in the parking lot, cruising through, as you might have seen in some of the footage already. But mine was probably that B7 Alpina. That is a super rare car, super awesome, old school, totally stands out in the crowd of cars that is here. Along with that bone stock Miata, almost bone stock Miata, which is awesome. It's kind of cool to see everybody being able to show their cars regardless of whether they've modified it or not, and that's something I love about Car Week, is you just see people that love their cars regardless of how much money they have. Obviously there's a lot of money here with all these fancy cars, but it's really cool. If you haven't hit subscribe already, please do so. I'm really trying to hit that 1,000 mark, and either way, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.